Hello students, now we'll be seeing how do we write an exam or a quiz in Moodle. Type the URL given by the institute and then press enter. It should take you to the Moodle login site. I'm logging in with the sample ID. Sign in. And then this is the home page of Moodle, which also is called a dashboard. In here on the left navigation pane, you see your subject in My Courses. Or you can go to course overview, which is in the center of the page, and in timeline or courses you find your subject. Now I'm going to attend an exam in project management subject. So I'm clicking on the subject and I see an exam here. So this is a sample exam I'm going to show you. I clicked on part A and part B. You must always read the notification here or the message which says there's only one attempt allowed and this is the given time, and the time limit for doing this quiz is only 5 minutes since this is a sample quiz. So you must always follow and read these guidelines before entering the quiz, and then click on attempt quiz now. Some quizzes may have passwords which would be given by your instructor, some may not have. So if asked, then click the password, type the password and enter. And on the left quiz navigation pane, you see the part A with 3 questions, part B with 3 questions, and finish attempt. And you must always note the timer here. So the timer is running out. There is only 3 minutes 38 seconds for me to answer. So what I do is select, this is an MCQ question. So who is the current president of India? Go with R. Next question, capital of Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Next question. So as you keep on answering the questions, you see it's filled half with gray, which means you have answered the question. And it's here you see the question number, and you also see it's marked out of 1 mark or it's marked out of 2 marks, how many marks the questions carries. And what is the capital of Telangana? I've given Hyderabad. Next. So and this is a short answer type questions, and expand PPP. This is an MCQ question, and then we have got a true or false question here. Sachin Tendulkar was a great cricket player. True or false? I'm gonna give true, and then everyone must remember to give finish attempt either here or here. So you click finish attempt, and again this menu is going to ask you, are you sure that you're gonna finish the attempt, or you can also see the summary of the attempt, all the questions are answered or not. You can verify and then click submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. So once it's confirmed, you have to see this confirmation message finished and submitted on this time to make sure that you have given the exam. And then back to the course. Now you have part C, which is essay questions. Attempt the quiz. So just type yes here. If you have to type the whole answer, you can type, or if you are writing it in a piece of paper and uploading, just type yes and then go to the next question. Again type something yes. Then you can finish the attempt, return to the attempt. If you want to change, finish the attempt, submit and finish. So once you have your time to do this, you write on the, if you're writing on the paper, you have sketches to draw and you have diagrams and other things, you do it on the paper, and then you go back to your uploading part where you have to upload whatever you have written. So this is, here you have add submission. Just click on add submission, and it would ask you to submit a file, and you should read the instructions carefully. It should be uploaded in PDF or whatever the format it was asked, and the maximum file size you should know. And then you have to select a file, or you can also drag and drop the file. I'm here trying to drag and drop a file, and then you click on the file so that you will know what is the you will know the author of the file, so that this is what is shown to your instructor. So you can rename the file here, and then you can update it, and then you can save changes. Now it says a draft, it has submitted but not completely. It is now as a draft, it is uploaded. Once you see your file here clearly uploaded, you submit the assignment. And this is a confirmation submission saying this assignment is your own work, and you're acknowledging that. You click on that and then click continue, and it is being submitted. You can clearly see the status as submitted for grading. And that's how you upload an exam paper. There are 2-3 methods to upload your question paper depending on how your instructor asks. So this is one of the method to make you familiar with. Now you can click here. You have your logout. Thank you.